What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video. For today's video, I thought it would be kind of fun to do a get ready with me for the first day of work. For those of you who are new to my channel, I am a teacher. I teach special ed and we are going back today. Lucky for me, I do not have students quite yet. We get the first 3 days to kind of set up our classrooms, attend our professional development trainings, so on and so forth. So I don't need to be like super professional. I'm not gonna really like be around people. I feel like I'm gonna be in my own classroom on my laptop on Zoom while simultaneously setting things up. I'm not gonna go super in depth with the makeup look for this particular video. It's just gonna be kind of more of a just hurry up and get ready with me type of a makeup look. It's not gonna be anything too crazy. Like I said, I'm not gonna really see too many people. If you guys do have any particular questions about any of the makeup I use, leave me a comment below and I will get back to you. I will try my best to link everything that I used in the description box, so definitely check there as well. So before we get into the makeup, I am putting on my perfume, which is, smells so freaking good. It is the Dossier perfume in Floral Peony. This has been my go-to. I feel like no matter how many times I use it, it like never goes down. Like it's still full all the way to the top. This portion of the video is actually sponsored by Dossier, so thank you so much. You have no idea how much I love your perfumes. If you guys have never heard of them, they are a clean perfume brand and all of their perfumes are inspired by higher end brands. If there's a perfume that you absolutely love but just cannot see yourself spending that much money on, check the Dossier website because it'll list all of their perfumes and then what that perfume is inspired by. I'm telling you guys, this stuff is absolutely amazing and it starts at only $29. The really cool thing about Dossier is that each perfume you order comes in a cute little box, and it also comes with like an info card, and then it comes with this little guy. Now, I have worked with Dossier in the past and I've always said, oh, they give you a little one like to carry in your purse, which it could be used for that. But until recently, I didn't realize that this is actually a tester. So you can order all the perfumes in the world, spray with the tester, and if you're not a fan of it, you can return it for a full refund, which I think is absolutely amazing. Although Dossier is already super affordable, they always have sales going on, like always. And they gave me a coupon code for you guys. If you use the code Nicole10, it will save you 10%. So I will leave all of this information down below. Do not forget to check them out. I'm telling you guys, I have about 5 perfumes and I just rotate through them. They are my go-to. All right, so I'm gonna put a headband on to keep my hair out of my face. And I need to get started because your girl's gonna be late on the first day. We cannot have that. So this by no means is like a 5-minute makeup look, by the way. I just don't think I could ever do that. I'm using the Hydromaniac Tinted Glow Hydrator from Urban Decay. It's like a tinted moisturizer that has a glow in it. And it has the tiniest little spout, so you kind of have to put a decent amount. I have already moisturized, by the way, and I did not go in with a primer because I just don't feel it's necessary right now. Ain't nobody got time for that. I did self-tan, so this is a bit light for me. However, we will make it work with bronzer at the end. I know a lot of you guys who follow me or are subscribed to me are also teachers. So today is July 28th and I'm already flipping starting work. When do you guys start? I am very curious. And are you looking forward to it? Are you dreading it? I know things are so different now that a lot of teachers have actually like just up and quit. And I don't know, I feel like if it wasn't for my absolute dream position that I have, I would have been gone a long time ago. I don't know if I could do it. I've been teaching for, this will be my 7th year this year, and I don't know, each year, I don't want to word it the wrong way. I don't want to say that I care less and less, but I'm willing to go less above and beyond for my district. I will always go above and beyond for my students, always, but I'm just, like, I'm going in today, I've done not one thing over the summer. No prepping, no planning, nothing. I'm gonna use these next 3 days they give us wisely, and I'm gonna knock it all out then. I'm sick of spending my own time and my own money doing things for, you know, my classroom that I'm never really appreciated for, I guess. I don't know. I'm just over it. No other job do you have to like take your work home like that. Well, I mean, there's some other jobs, but you know what I mean. I also made myself a little cup of coffee. Sometimes I'm so jealous of Carlos because like when he's done with work, he shuts his computer off and he's done. Like there's nothing he can even do for his job off of work hours. And I'm like, dang, I'm a little jealous of that. I feel like as a teacher, you just never stop. Like even when you're like out and about shopping, you like see things, you're like, oh my gosh, I need to get that for my classroom. Or oh my gosh, so-and-so would love this. Or oh, these would be great for the prize box. Like it's just always something. And I don't know, I'm trying to do less so I don't burn out so quickly, because I kind of started feeling that after like the 4th or 5th year where I was just tired, and I don't want to feel that way. I want to enjoy my job. So I'm trying to kind of, I guess, take a step back. Not really taking a step back, it's just doing what I'm contracted to do and not working outside of my hours. This is one of my all-time favorite bronzers. It's the e.l.f. Forever Sun-Kissed Matte Bronzer. It is so nice. Even though it kind of sucks we're starting work already, like end of July, I'm really excited to see like all my coworkers and I don't know, just get stuff planned out and ready to go. I do feel so much better when things are planned out, mapped out. I'm definitely one that has to have like calendars for everything and charts and lists. So it'll make me feel better, I think, getting to work and getting all of that stuff squared away. But I'm sorry, I refuse to do that on my summer break. I honestly had the best summer. I always teach summer school. So my district, for some reason, we usually go mid-June to mid-July, but for some reason we did summer school just literally 3 days after the school year started. So our summer school was all of June, and then we had pretty much all of July off. That was so nice. So nice. I had the best time. I just uploaded my Utah vlog. Carlos surprised me with a birthday trip to Utah. We went to the Salt Flats and took pictures. It was absolutely unreal. And then the next weekend after that, which was last weekend, my sister, best friend, and god sister went to San Diego for the weekend for like another birthday trip, like a belated birthday trip, which they ended up bringing me like bachelorette gifts. It was not really a bachelorette party. I told them I didn't really want one. I don't know why. But they brought me gifts because they felt bad they couldn't throw like an actual bachelorette party. So it was so nice. I think I'm gonna do a haul with some of the things I got. I put stuff on Instagram. If you guys are not following me there, definitely follow me there. But I got the cutest stuff. So if you guys are watching, thank you so much. I am obsessed. It's coming to that point where I kind of need a fill with my lashes, and I usually run like a black or brown shadow along the lash line, but I don't even really want to do that. I don't really have time. So how are you guys doing? Anything new happening in your lives? Let me know down below. I'm kind of starting to stress out because I have gotten actually nothing done for this wedding. We're getting married in October, and I told myself I was going to get all the DIYs done over the summer, but I was so busy with teaching summer school. I was still taking cookie orders, these trips, which I'm not complaining about, but I got not one DIY done. Not one. So I'm kind of stressing out about it, but it'll get done. I need to not even worry. All right, so this is the final makeup look. Super simple. This actually took me 10 minutes. I'm very surprised. Usually I have a YouTube video going and it takes me forever, but didn't take too long. I think I'm actually gonna bring my curling iron in here and throw some curls in this hair. So let me go grab that. I'll be right back. I just threw a robe on just so I don't get any little hairs on my shirt. And I used a little dry shampoo and I didn't want to get any of the white powder on my black shirt. I kind of did not hate this black headband. I don't even remember where I got it from. Target maybe? Didn't hate it, so I think I might actually wear this, but I'm gonna throw just some loose curls in my hair and then put a little hairspray in it and call it a day. Somebody asked the other day if I could do a tutorial on how I curl my hair. I just take like 1-inch pieces, and I used to never use a curling iron with a clamp, but now I do. And I take it about, well, I go all the way to the, close up to the root, go down about halfway, curl and hold it for a bit, and then slowly let some out and roll back up. And I don't ever curl all the way to the end because I want to give it more of like a wavy look, not a super curled look. And then I pull down as I let it go. And that's what it looks like. I let it cool behind my head, and then I brush it out at the end after I hairspray it. If you guys are teachers, I'm curious, what grade do you teach? I know if you guys have been around a while, you guys know I teach special ed, and I have the 18 to 22-year-olds, the young adult program. So it's a little less on the academic side and more life skills, independence. We teach certain skills in the classroom, such as money math, you know, how to, you know, appropriate behavior out in the community, how to make purchases, stuff like that. And then we actually get to take the students out into the community to practice those skills. So it's truly the best freaking job in the world. And I've actually, like, besides my coworkers, I feel like, never met anybody, like, online, I guess, on YouTube, any of my subscribers or anything, who has taught young adult. Plenty of people say that they're special ed teachers, but nobody teaches young adult. So if any of you guys teach young adult, please let me know. A lot of people have no idea what that even is. A lot of people don't even realize by law, if you're on an IEP, you can be educated until the age of 22. Sketchy guy on a bike driving by my house, trying to peek into my side yard. I will fight you. Like, I will literally fight you. Alright, so I just finished curling my hair. This front piece is looking a little whack. I'm gonna go put some hairspray on it, let it sit for a few minutes, and then brush it out. And then put my headband on. I'm gonna go get dressed, and then I will show you guys the completed look. Alright, you guys, real quick, here is my outfit of the day. I'm just wearing leopard Vans that I got from the Vans outlet. These jeans are high-waisted stretch skinny jeans from Fashion Nova. This top is just a black, like, basic tee from Boohoo, but it has this little lace sleeve detailing. This necklace is from Amazon. I always keep all the jewelry I buy from Amazon linked in my Amazon storefront. And then I am wearing this black headband. So I will try to link what I can down below. I think this top I got years ago. I won't be able to link that. Same with these jeans. but I feel like this is just a basic outfit you can find anywhere, so I apologize. If I can find something similar, I'll link it. All right, you guys, so that was pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did enjoy it and would like to see more videos like this, leave me a comment down below so I know. I know I've gotten a comment from a few of you guys wanting like teacher outfits or teacher outfits of the week type videos, which I definitely don't mind doing. However, I feel like this is how I dress pretty much on a normal basis because of the fact that with the population of students I teach, we're out in the community, we're on the go 24/7, so it's kind of a comfort thing. Like obviously I'm not wearing yoga pants and sweatpants to work, but stretch jeans and like a basic top is kind of what I wear on a daily. I will say for any sort of like parent meetings we have, I do get a little bit more dressed up, so maybe I can do like outfits I would wear to an IEP meeting, which might be your just normal teacher dress code. So I could definitely look into doing that. If you guys have any other requests for videos, leave them down below. Don't forget to check out Dossier. All of that info with that coupon code will be down below as well, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.